Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all will be fine. Today we will discuss about the classification of organic compounds. As you know that organic compounds are present in a large number of varieties and are complex compounds on the earth. So to study them, we classify them into basically two main classes. First one is open chain or acyclic compounds, organic compounds. Second one is cyclic or closed chain compounds. First of all, we will discuss about the open chain or acyclic compounds. Open chain compounds are those compounds which are without cycle, or you can say without closed structures, without any kind of ring. Open chain may be branched or it may be non-branched or straight chain. First of all, we will discuss about the branch chain compounds. Branch chain compounds are those in which carbon atoms are in branch structure. Okay, let's see example. For example, here is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. Here is a chain of another atom. This is the branch structure, or you can okay, it's a branch structure. Now we will discuss straight chain structure or non-branch structures. Straight chain structures in which the straight chains of carbon are present no matter how long they are. Here is 1 2 3 4 and butane. Okay, so more carbon atoms will be added over this end or this end, but it would be straight chain structure, not the branch chain structure. Okay, now the next is cyclic or closed chain structures. Cyclic in which are those basically they are divided into two types: homocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds or closed compounds are those in which the ends of the carbon they are not free, they are attached to another carbon and form the closed structure, or you can say the ring formed structures. Homocyclic, homo means same, hetero means not same. Okay, now homocyclic are those cyclic compounds in which only carbon atoms are present. For example, that is cyclic propane. This can be written as this. Okay, it could be four membered closed ring, that is cyclic butane. Now it could be cyclic pentane, the next cyclic hexane. Okay, this was about the homocyclic structures. Now heterocyclic. In homocyclic, these rings, they are called as all these rings are called as aliphatic rings. Okay, all these are called aliphatic rings. Homocyclic also have aromatic rings in which unsaturation is formed, that is aromatic rings or benzene ring. These rings in which unsaturation is also present, they are also included in the homocyclic structure, as all the atoms, main atoms, are carbon atoms. Okay, now the next is heterocyclic. Heterocyclic are those closed structures, or you can say ringed structures, which have a main atom other than carbon atom. That other atoms may be nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. Okay, let's see the examples. That is pyrrole. Next, furan. That is thiophene. That is pyridine. Okay, all these structures, you have noticed that the central atom is other than carbon, means it may be nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, or phosphorus, etc. So that was the heterocyclic compounds. This was all about the today's lecture. For more updates, stay with us, like, share, and subscribe the channel. And thank you. Stay blessed. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.